So I guess you guys are probably thinking the frugal gardener has lost his mind. Why in the heck does he have a, a muffin pan out in the garden? Well, this was about to get thrown out. When I'm not in the garden, I like to cook, I like to bake. As a matter of fact, I actually worked for a bakery for a while. And this was getting ready to get trashed. And I thought I could use this. And you know me, I don't like to throw things out that I can use. So what I decided to do was use this to space the last thing I'm going to be planting this fall, which is onions. The reason is because you can perfectly space these. The onions are small, and I generally have a bit of an issue trying to get the spacing uniform. And so here it is. Not bad. Didn't take me long. Basically, these are about 3 inches apart, maybe a little bit more than three, and they go down in the soil for about an inch. I mean, I guess you recognize these as onions. They're small, and these are going to be overwintered. This is the first time I have deliberately overwintered onions. I usually put them in the spring. I've had some that I have put in the fall that have, I guess, accidentally overwintered and came up in the spring, but mostly garlic. But this worked out perfectly. All I have to do was cover these bad boys up and they're done. So this is going to be part of my arsenal from now on. I can use this for all kinds of seeds, and I will. So there's a little quick and easy tip. This is another buy it or build it from the Frugal Gardener. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Like I said, I will be here all winter long. Hit the button, tell your friends, repost this, and remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys in a few days with the next video.